how to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok. So if you want to increase withdrawal limit on TikTok, then let's get started. First, open up your TikTok application and then go to your TikTok profile, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on your profile. Once you tap on profile, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now here you will have the balance option. Tap on balance. Under balance, here you will have live gifts option. So you just need to simply tap on live gifts, or you can go with live rewards or live gifts. So once you go with that, here you will have your balance and you will have the withdrawal option, right? Then we're going to see this kind of interface where it will say how to increase withdrawal limit. So if you don't have that option, then don't need to worry. I'll just explain it to you. So if you tap on how to increase withdrawal limit, then we're going to get a complete guide on how we can increase our withdrawal limits. Here you can see that your daily withdrawal limit is of $1,000. So if you actually want to increase the withdrawal limit, then there are some rules that you have to follow. Those rules are just nothing but you just need to simply earn more on TikTok. Then you will have the chance to get a higher withdrawal limit. So you just need to simply earn more coins, and once you earn more coins, then you will be able to increase the withdrawal limit. It will automatically increase it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.